Alright guys, I just fixed my throttle because making a vlog last night and my throttle cable broke, but my battery died on my phone, so yeah. I don't know how this vlog's gonna go considering I just fixed it. Hopefully it holds up and stuff. And also I changed my my setup for the whole camera and the microphone, so hopefully my voice shouldn't be as loud as the last video. Sorry if my voice is still like really loud. It sounds like I'm like right next to the mic. But well, I kinda am. But I got like the mic's like wrapped in like paper towel and tape. Well, it was like paper towel and there's taped onto it, and then I got like a piece of like cloth or rag or something over it to help just muffle my voice and also help keep the wind off the mic. But the wind's usually not too bad because I got the mic inside my helmet. Oh yeah, and something's still rattling. Didn't figure out what that was, so yeah. My bearings were supposed to be in today. They're not going to be until Monday now, which that kind of sucks. I was hoping they were going to be in. I mean, it's not that like my bearings are terrible. It's just one's good or one's okay, and the other one just keeps on locking up, kind of. But it's not to a point where I just can't ride anymore. It's just, you know, they need to be changed. I want to say whatever's rattling is in the front, like right in here. But yeah. Jeez, I can't wait till, like, you know, one day I'm fucking just going down the road and on my motovox or my supermoto like Jake the Snake and doing a wheelie, motovlogging and shit. And I got that one fucking fender that always goes like this in the wind because it's a dirty old cock whore and whatnot. Don't you know? Yeah, we're back at the field again, by the way. So yeah, what's up, people? Oh, bud. I'm out, pussy. It's just, I don't feel like getting muddy today. I got my phone up out of here, and you know, I mean, I'm in my helmet and shit. It's like 40 out. But I mean, normally I go right through that mud. I've taken this thing mudding before. It's awesome. Shit. No brakes, no brakes, no brakes. Actually, you know what? Just got thinking. I haven't even uploaded my video from last night yet. So these are probably going to both get uploaded in a little bit today. Shit. Ah, hate that bump so bad. Ooh, got some air on that one, I think. You can't tell I like doing wheelies. It's new for me because I'm not used to having this low of gearing, so I got so much bottom end. I like it. I like it a lot. So I keep on finding myself getting louder and louder as I'm talking and riding. Like, I know I don't have to be loud because the mic's right in front of my face, but It's just I can't hear myself talk right now because, you know, the engine. I'm not hearing what I'm sounding like, so I automatically assume that I'm being quiet and you can't hear me. Where Josh is home. Let's go see if Josh is home today. Oh, I hope this guy doesn't get pissed off at me. Typically people do get pissed off at me, but I'm kind of fed up dealing with their bullshit, so I don't really stop anymore. Sometimes I will if it's a new person that's like up my ass about some shit, but